In this video, I will show you how to react to a message with emoji in Instagram. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to tap on this airplane button right here, and then click on a message that we want to interact with, say here. Now, in order for us to react to a message, all we have to do is to long press the message right here, and as you can see, you will be able to choose between this custom emojis right here. Let's say I want to put it a heart. Now, I have reacted to a message with an emoji. But let's say you don't want a heart or any of the custom emoji that was set by Instagram. All you have to do is to long press message again. Click on the plus button right here. Now you will be able to see variety of emojis that you can choose from. Let's say I want to react with a celebration. Right here. And now I have reacted in a different emoji to a message. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!